Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an axolotl on Dress to Impress. This is the non-VIP and VIP version. The difference isn't that much, but I'm just going to change my skin color to this color, and then I am going to use this and I'm going to select the same skin color. I'm also going to add silk just because it's like a fish and we want it to be silky smooth, and it's also going to match the tail that we will be using. So we'll be using this one and we're going to color it the same like that. And then we will also be using the, where is it? Where is the games one? There we go. It's optional. It's not super visible, but if you want to add that, you can absolutely do that. Then you're just going to add this on. Again, the same color with that silk sheen as well as this, but just color it black. Okay, we're almost done actually. It's that easy. And then we're going to add hair. So we're going to use this one, coloring it this color. And that is it for the non-VIP one. But for the VIP one, if you want, it just doesn't make a big difference. Select this cape. Turn the cape off. And you're going to color the, I don't know, like the gills and stuff, this color. Just going to color it all the same like that. Oops. And then I'm just going to do the belly flop pose, and that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!